Okay guys, hello once again. We are still dealing with ENG questions on the chapter of movement. Today's question states that a motor vehicle with a mass of 2.5 tons accelerates uniformly from rest up an incline of 1 in 25 and reaches a speed of 55 km per hour after 3 minutes. So they are saying we must calculate the acceleration, the kinetic energy after 3 minutes, the gain in potential energy of the motor vehicle after 3 minutes as well. So firstly, this is what we should do. Our mass is 2.5 tons. Mass is 2.5 tons, and therefore we should convert it to kilograms. And then 2.5 multiplied by 1000, which is equals to 2500 kg. Therefore, we must look for again the acceleration. Since we are looking for acceleration, I mean our speed. As mentioned here, the speed of 55 km after 3 minutes. Okay, so this means since the speed is after 3 minutes, this is our final velocity, which is v is equals to 55 km per hour. So 55 km per hour, to convert it to 55 kilometers per second, you can say 55 multiplied by 1000 over 3600, and then punch the calculator, and my calculator is giving me 15.277, and then let's see for time. This side time is 3 minutes, so 3 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds is equals to 180 seconds. So this is now our time in seconds. So since we are looking for acceleration, we are going to use this formula for v is equals to u plus at. Making pen is running out. Okay, v, we transpose this on this side, minus u is equals to at. We get rid of t since we are looking for acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is equals to v minus u over t. My final velocity here is 15.277 minus 0 over my time, which is 180 seconds. Therefore, my acceleration 180 divided by 15.2.
Then what is our initial velocity then?
Is 0. The initial velocity was not stated. So this speed is after 3 minutes. So meaning our initial velocity is 0.
Okay, now I understand.
Okay. Therefore my acceleration here, it gives me 0.085 meters per second squared, since it's acceleration. And the next step, we must look for our kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, which is EK, is equals to half mv squared. This is the formula for kinetic energy. Let's look for another making pen. What is our mass? Our mass is 2,500. Velocity is substituted here is 15.277 squared. And then you punch your calculator to find the kinetic energy, which is my calculator gives me 29,173.411 and is measured in joules. That's the kinetic energy. And remember, our question here says we must look for the gain in potential energy of the motor after 3 minutes. Now, in order to find our potential energy, let's just write the formula for potential energy. The formula for potential energy is EP is equals to mjh. Now, we have to find our height. So according to the statement here, the vehicle went on an incline of 1 in 25. So since it went on an incline of 1 in 25, let us try to plot. Okay, let's say this side will be our height. 1 into 25. The load of the vehicle will be moving here, of which is 2.5 tons in kg. And then from here we don't have an angle, but we have 1 to 25. So let's use the formula for distance and find our distance first. Okay, let us use the formula for distance to find our distance first. Okay, it states that S is equals to UT plus half AT squared. Now our initial velocity we know is 0, and then our time is 180. Our time is 180. We check the time. Here is the time. It's 180, and then this side plus half our acceleration. We just found our acceleration this side is 0.085. 0.085 multiplied by the time, which is 180 squared. So 0 times 180 is 0. Therefore here we have 0 plus, let me just write this as it is because I ran out of space that side. 0.085 into 180 squared, and then you can punch only this one with the calculator, and then the answer will be 1.377 meters, because this is distance, but it doesn't mean we have time. I mean our height. Our height, we have to divide this 1.337 meter by 125. Therefore, let us go to the EP. Let us go to the EP formula. and substitute. Okay, our mass, we know our mass is 2,500, and this is the gravitational acceleration, which is 9,8. we know is constant, and our height is will be 1377 over 25.
Why the 25 though?
Remember, this is an incline of 1 in 25.
Okay.
Understand? So it means it's 1 over 25. So we have to multiply 1 over 25 by 1377 to get the total height.
Okay.
Okay, so 2,500 multiplied by 9,8 multiplied by 1377 over 25. Punch that with your calculator and get the correct answer. Then the potential energy will be 1,349,460 and is measured in joules. This is the total of the final answer.